Hello guys, welcome back to One of the Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix limited Wi-Fi connection Oculus Quest 2. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix this issue here that you're encountering here on your Oculus Quest 2. Well, there are a few things that you could do. So currently we are in a forum here that a user is currently experiencing the same issue here. And one of the this case, one of the users here actually recommended one of the fixes that you could try doing here. So according to this user, what you need to do is while you're connected to the Wi-Fi, you want to launch the Oculus browser on your headset. And if the browser displays a message indicating that the date and time are incorrect, this is likely the causing or what's causing your connectivity issue. Now, the browser should provide an option to adjust the date and time setting here. Select this option to proceed and manually set the correct date and time for your location. Ensure that the settings reflect the current date and time accurately as well. And after updating the date and time, restart your Oculus Quest 2 to apply the changes. And once the headset restarts, check if the Wi-Fi connection is now functioning correctly without the limited connection warning. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFTinspo. Thank you for watching.